In this video we're going to look at recoil of a gun. So this is a third of our videos on momentum. And it says here, on recoil of a gun or an explosion, when a bullet is fired from a gun, an explosion occurs in the gun barrel. This exerts a force on the bullet and an equal and opposite force on the gun. Initially the momentum is 0, and after the explosion the gain in momentum of the bullet is equal and opposite to the gain in the momentum of the gun. But the only difference is the bullet is moving forwards and the gun is moving backwards. Okay, so in this example it says a bullet is fired from a gun with a horizontal velocity of 400 meters per second. The mass of the gun is 3 kilograms and the mass of the bullet is 60 grams. So why the bullet moves so fast and the gun moves back relatively quite slowly is because that the gun is so much heavier than the bullet. So we'll do a wee before and after. So before. Here we've got my fantastic diagram. This is a whole thing. So you've got your gun, and inside the chamber of the gun you've got the bullet. So the total mass is going to be 3.06 kilograms. Then after, your situation is going to be this. Your gun, again my fantastic diagram for my gun, and it was 3 kilograms. It is now moving backwards with speed of v, whereas my bullet, and the mass of the bullet, remember, is 0.06 kilograms. It's moving forwards with a speed of 400 meters per second. So again, we're going to use momentum before is equal to momentum after. Now the momentum before, that's this situation here, and here there's no momentum because nothing's happened. Nothing is moving. The bullet's not moving. The gun's not moving. Then after, and I'm going to consider the direction that v is going as positive, just because that's what I'm trying to find. So 3v, so anything going to the left is positive. That means minus n, or I'll say plus, and then it's going to be minus 400 times the mass of the bullet, which is 0.03. So 3v, and then plus 400 times that, and that is going to be 0 then is equal to 3v, and that's going to be minus 24, or it means 24 is equal to 3v, which means v is equal to 8 meters per second. So if you've ever fired a gun or a shotgun on clay pigeon shooting or whatever you happen to be at, you'll realize it does sort of kicks back into your shoulder. So you can see that's why then, because technically, or in theory then, this thing is moving backwards with a speed of 8 meters per second, but because your body exerts such a lot of force, you don't shoot back in 8 meters in 1 second because you're standing with firmly and you're holding the thing strongly. That's why you wouldn't move backwards. But that is what's actually happening. The instant that bullet moves forward at a speed of whatever it was, 400 meters per second, that instant that gun is moving backwards at a speed of 8 meters per second. But because of the force that you're exerting, that's why you don't shoot backwards yourself. Okay, one more example of this type. It says a gun of mass 4 kilograms fires a bullet of mass 50. The gun recoils with a speed of 60. Find the speed of the bullet. So it's the other way around. Then we know the speed that the gun recoils. We just need to find the speed of the bullet. So again, there's your gun and your bullet. It's 0 meters per second. Then after, we've got our gun, and the mass of this gun is 4 kilograms, and it's moving backwards at a speed of 6 meters per second. We need to find the speed that the bullet moves. It's 0.05, 50 grams, 0.05 kilograms, and it's moving at a speed of v. Okay, so we're just going to say momentum before equals momentum after. So in this case, 0. That's my momentum at the start. And I'm going to consider my speed to be positive, my v to be positive. So it's going to be 0.05 v. That's positive. So then this one's going against it is equal to 6 times the 4. So that's 0 is equal to 0.05 v minus 24. Or 24 is equal to 0.05 v. 24 divided by 0.05 is equal to v. So v works out to be 480 meters per second. And that is it done. Okay, so it starts initially, both of them have zero momentum, and then one of them then is given momentum, and because it's given the other momentum in one direction, the other one is giving an equal and opposite momentum in the other direction.